fear. Next, let's complete the second part of emotional preparation and overcoming the 6 obstacles. The first obstacle is fear. Sometimes when the newcomers join the business, his, her, relatives or friends wouldn't appreciate their job or ideas. That's because relatives or friends do not understand the real concept of this company. They would say this company unreliable, doing this business is a waste of time, the product quality is not good, which scares many newcomers. Every company has ups and downs during their development stage. After 26 years of development, TNS has established branches in more than 119 countries and regions, serving more than 46 million families around the world. Currently, TNS has become an international large-scale enterprise, which proves its progress and success. Newcomers should maintain an objective attitude, learn and understand the actual principles of the company, and personally experience the product. Instead of focusing on other people's thoughts, it's better to take an action and concentrate on the business. Impatience. The second obstacle is about being eager for quick success and instant benefits. The first case. Newcomers are usually getting very excited and eager to share their products or recruit new ones. Meanwhile, they are not very clear about certain things within the business of the company and lacking confidence. When people ask questions, they would reply and explain with loopholes that can lead to misconceptions or misunderstandings. It is suggested to get relevant knowledge, skills, and get prepared first, or let the experienced partner to carry out the initial steps of sharing the product or recruiting the customers. The second case. Some newcomers, after seeing the success of other people, willing to achieve success in a short time. Yet, they do not realize that behind their achievements there are obstacles and failures, and a lot of efforts were put. Success is not an overnight type of deal. It takes time to become great at something, and biggest thing about becoming successful is that you have to be willing to put in the effort. The third obstacle is slackness. Talk much, do little. We always see this kind of people. They are active learners. They do willingly participate and easily get motivated in every meeting. However, it is difficult for them to take an action as they often lose their faith and enthusiasm halfway. We often call this type of people Mr. Know-All. They know all their theories and everything about the direct selling, but their performance doesn't match with their knowledge. They talk a lot but do little. Slackness rusted the action, which cannot positively affect and motivate others. The concept towards the life and career which brought by the company has strongly affected some of our distributors. The new concept opens a door to our distributors and shows them infinite possibilities. Some of our distributors may get overwhelmed by the new concept and start to act and talk in a radical way. They just can't handle their excitement and want to share their passion with everyone. However, the overexcitement doesn't play well in a communication. Usually, people wouldn't be influenced by their enthusiasm, but only get annoyed by their mania. The fifth obstacle is violating the professional ethics, which mainly refers to our professionalism. We should maintain a good professional image because most of the time we are representing our firm and company. In particular, there are certain professional norms we should not violate. Number 1, it is forbidden to deceive consumers. Number 2, it is forbidden to snatch consumers and business partners from other distributors. Number 3, it is forbidden to spread maliciously information or internationally jeopardize development of the team. Many newcomers do not pay attention to the cultivation of professionalism, violate professional norms, leading to serious consequences. All this requires us to develop a good sense of professional ethics. The sixth obstacle is the unsteady faith. Lack of faith will never lead to success. Job hopping seems to be a result of the unsteady faith. Those who are easily compromised with their opinions are ones lacking of their focused targets. Making decisions based on the other suggestions often lead to fewer results. For any career, it takes persistence in studying new knowledge to achieve success. While facing the troubles, always seek the solution from ourselves. Don't try to change the environment, try to adapt to it. Once we made the decision, never deviate from your initial intention. Keep refining yourself and don't change your mind frequently. From today's course, we have learned how to adjust our mindset and a newcomer by conquering 3 challenges and 6 obstacles. Congratulations for completing the training of setting up your mindset. With the positive and steady mindset, you are certainly going to create a better future. Thank you everyone. See you on the next one.